show you how to use Shape Builder tool in Illustrator to create complex shapes. I'm in Adobe Illustrator CC 22.1. This is what the Shape Builder tool looks like. The shortcut is Shift M right here. All right, I created these shapes and I also created a guided layer so you can see when I turn them off. I have that locked. And we're going to start by using the ellipse tool, shortcut L, and I am going to drag out my first circle. If I hold down Shift in the older versions of Illustrator, it makes a perfect shape. I have one shape. I am going to select that with the black arrow tool, shortcut V. I'm going to copy, Command C. I'm going to paste in front so I know that they're perfectly aligned, Command F, and then I hit E to transform. All right, I have two shapes. That's fantastic. So if I want to cut out the middle, I can get Shape Builder out, and again, that's Shift M, and I just hold down the Option key, and that makes that shape go away. Next, I'm going to get out the Rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw the center line. I'm going to zoom in. Then I'm going to select it with the black arrow tool. I'm going to hit the Rotation tool, which is R. And I'm going to click on the center to say, hey, you, that's where I want to rotate from. When I hold down Option, you see that my arrow turns into a double, which means it's duplicating it. I want to do that again, so I have to say, hey, I still want to rotate from here. So you click, hold down Option, see how it turns to the double. And now you can see that I have the cross sticks, if you will, of the peace sign. I'm going to get Shift M again. And when I want to unite shapes, I just draw over them, and you'll see that it brings them together. Whoa, went a little crazy there. Command Z to undo. And then these are the last pieces to get rid of. Again, you hold down Option. And these you can drag over. There's some little itty bitty guys. You can either zoom in or you could just go to Pathfinder Unite. And there you have it. That is a very simple way to create complex shapes using Shape Builder tool in Illustrator.